Romanian barbell deadlifts. The barbell can be taken from a rack or from the floor, depending on what you have available and your personal preference. The Romanian deadlift focuses on working the hamstrings, the glutes and the lower back. Adopt a hip to shoulder width stance with the feet. Ensure the knees are unlocked but do not bend at all during the movement. To initiate the movement, push the hips back. Keep pushing the hips back and let the barbell travel down the legs. Take a big breath in, push the hips back, drive through the feet, snap the hips into the bar and breathe out. Push the feet into the ground and drive the hips into the bar. How far you go down on the Romanian deadlift is dictated by your hamstring mobility. Do not go down further than your hamstrings allow you, otherwise you'll arch your back and put your spine in a compromised position.